Welcome to Virtualize Everything, and today we're going to be working on another assistant tutorial, and this is going to be a first for me. So this will be my first home assistant automation, not only in this new house, but ever. I've done some work a little bit with having some lights and stuff run through it, but I've never created a custom automation. So let's take a look and see if we can get this done. I expect it to be quite easy and quite straightforward. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to settings, and then I'm going to go to automation and scenes, and then I'm going to create an automation. Then I'm going to click create new automation, and for when I'm going to click add trigger. I'm going to come down here to time and location, and since I want this to happen with the change in sun, I'm going to click sun. And I'm going to choose sunrise, and I might want it to stay on a few minutes after sunrise, so let's add an offset time of 45 minutes. The and if is a secondary condition, that if when the primary condition is met, the secondary condition has to be met as well. I'm looking to purely change my light time and turn it on and off with the sunrise, so I'm not going to fill that out. Then do. We're going to click add action. We're going to choose light, and we're going to turn the light off. And then I need to choose a device, and I'm going to choose my front porch light. So what this automation will do is when the sun rises, or 45 minutes after the sun rises, it's going to turn my front porch light off. At this point, I can hit save, give it a name, something like so, and I can press save. This will create my first automation here, and you can see that it condenses it into a very easy to read thing. Now if I press back, you can see we have an automation of turn front light off 45 minutes after sunrise, and we can see since it's brand new that it's never been triggered. So as long as this successfully triggers and everything works successfully, I will be publishing this video tomorrow for you to look at. I hope you enjoyed this video and you were able to learn about creating automations with Home Assistant with me for Deco lights and many other devices. As always, have a good night and please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing.